Hello guys, I'm at a restaurant. This is the place. Oh, what's this restaurant called? What's this restaurant called? What's this called?
Mikuni.
We're at Mikuni.
Mali,
Yeah. And I'm gonna try this right
o kaya
now.
pa mo yung tuloy kay kita.
That is really good. Now I'm
Next
gonna
step, yung tamalak
try
na, ano.
this thing. This thingy that keeps moving.
Ano siya na, ano nakadaan niya may step.
TikTok.
Na,
I'm gonna taste this thing.
chicken karate.
Chicken karaage. I'm just gonna get it. I'm gonna get this thing.
Pagigasi ko.
Okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna get this thing right now. Okay, let's just keep going. I'm gonna get it. And right now my dad got this, and my mom got that. And right now, I'm just gonna try this.
Kamakala ka pa. Takot ko. Yan.
That tastes super good. That's good. Now I'm gonna try the
Lunch,
steamed.
neto niya
Now
makanyan.
I'm gonna try this.
Luya para pag
Now I'm
dinner.
gonna try the steamed rice. Then next bite. Now I'm gonna do something that might be disgusting. That's good. That's really good. And now I'm gonna try some of my dad's salt. This. I'm gonna try some of this fish.
Nakala ka.
That's good. I'm just gonna. Now I'm gonna get some of this tofu. And just get a little. Okay, got a little of it. That's really good. I'm really good. That's really good. I'm gonna see you next time. Peace. Bye.